So today we're going to be performing the Tinetti balance test. Here we have our participant who is 18 years of age. So what I'm going to have you do is basically just go ahead and sit down in the chair and lean all the way back. Okay. Now go ahead and stand up. Alright, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to nudge your chest, and you basically just have to keep your balance, okay? Okay. All right, now go ahead and close your eyes and just stand for a few seconds. Okay. You can open up your eyes. And now you're just going to basically walk in a circle for me. Go ahead. All right, and then go ahead and take a seat. Okay. Go. Okay, so for this test, you're just going to walk at a regular pace all the way to the shoe. And when you reach the shoe, walk at a faster pace, okay? All right, whenever you're ready, you can go. So continuing our balance test, here we have our participant who is 44 years of age and suffers from a right knee injury. So we're going to see how that affects her balance. So I'm going to have you go ahead and take a seat in the chair, please. All right, and then go ahead and stand up. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to nudge you right between your sternum and just try to balance yourself, okay? Okay. And then go ahead and close your eyes. Okay. And now what I'm going to have you do is basically just walk in a circle for me. Just once. All right. And then go ahead and take a seat. All right. Okay, so now we're going to assess the participant's gait. So what I'm going to have you do is basically just walk to the marker just normally, and then turn, and then walk as fast as you can. Okay? Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and go. Okay, good. So for our first participant, Eddie, we noticed that he had a safe and steady sitting balance, so we gave him a 1 for that. He was able to rise from the chair without use of any of our arms or any help, so we gave him a 2. He was able to rise with 1 attempt, so we gave him a 2. He had a steady balance for the first 5 seconds, so we gave him a 2 again. His standing balance was a narrow stance without any support, so we gave him another 2. However, when we did nudge him, he did kind of stagger and had to catch himself a few times, so we gave him a 1 for that. He was steady with his eyes closed, so we gave him a 1. When he was doing his 360-degree turn, it was continuous steps, so we gave him a 1, and it was steady as well, so we gave him a 1 for that as well. And when he was sitting down, it was a safe and smooth motion, so we gave him a 2, overall giving him a score of 15 out of 16. However, for participant 2, for her balance section, her seating balance was, it seemed like she did lean a little and she did slide into the chair, so we gave her a 0 for that section. She was able to rise from the chair, however, she did use the arms of the chair to help her up, so we gave her a 1 for that. However, she was able to rise with 1 attempt, so we did give her a 2 for that. Her immediate balance was pretty unsteady. She was staggering, moving a lot, and her trunk was swaying, so we gave her a 0. Her standing balance was a narrow stance without support, so that was fine after the first 5 seconds. We gave her a 2 for that. With her nudge, she did also stagger a little bit, but she was able to catch herself, so we gave her a 1 for that. She didn't seem too steady with her eyes closed, so we gave her a 0 for that. However, when she was doing her 360-degree turn, it was continuous steps, and they did seem pretty steady, so we gave her a 1 for both sections. And then sitting down, she did use the arms of the chair again, and it was not too much of a smooth motion, so we went ahead and gave her a 1, overall giving her a score of 9 out of 16.